We're doing a deep dive today, and we're zoning in on a really specific piece of kit. The Datavideo RMC-2P 3-channel camera controller.
Yep, a compact little unit.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
Our sources are framing this thing as basically a shortcut to efficient, small-scale live production.
For sure.
So our mission is to figure out how this controller, which runs on DVI-P for Datavideo's PTZ cameras, really helps you manage a multicam setup without all the fuss. So when you look past the marketing stuff, the first thing that jumps out is the control interface.
Yeah.
That 3-axis joystick.
Mm-hmm.
In a live setting, why is that physical tactile controller so much better than just, say, using a software interface on a screen?
Well, it all comes down to latency, really, and precision. Using on-screen controls, you can get lag. Inconsistency.
Oh, okay.
What's fascinating here is that a dedicated joystick is all about giving the operator immediate, precise feedback. In a fast environment, like a live concert or esports.
Right, where you can't have mistakes.
Exactly. That tactile feel means you get a smooth shot, not a jarring, jerky one. You can feather your movements in a way that's, well, it's just about impossible with a mouse.
And speaking of smooth, let's talk setup. The source mentions Power over Ethernet, PoE.
Yes, that's a key feature.
It's a powerful and effortless integration standard, right? But let's skip the jargon. What does PoE actually mean for the person setting this up?
I mean, it's simplicity itself. The RMC-2P just needs one single Ethernet cable. That's it.
For everything. Power and the control signal.
For both power and data. So for you, the listener, that means you don't need to hunt for a separate power outlet for the controller. It's remarkably lightweight, too, only 0.36 kilos.
Wow, that's light.
And with a price of around $299, that PoE feature really makes it a true plug-and-play solution. It's perfect for portable setups.
That makes a ton of sense. It's clearly built for mobility. But let's talk about scale, then. It manages up to 3 cameras.
That's the limit, yeah. 3.
Which sounds perfect for some jobs, but who is this 3-camera limit actually for?
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it's for that huge market of, say, smaller houses of worship, school media labs, corporate streaming.
So not the huge broadcast studios.
Not at all. It avoids feature bloat. 3 cameras is plenty for an interview panel or a small stage. And to help with that, you get the instant precision positioning.
Presets.
Exactly. You don't have to manually joystick every single shot. You can save 4 predefined positions for each camera and recall them with one button press.
Okay, but 4 presets per camera. For a complex show, that feels a bit limited, doesn't it? Is that common for this type of controller?
It is for this compact class, yeah. It sort of forces the operator to lock in their 4 most critical shots, a wide, a medium, a tight shot, and maybe a special angle, and then you use the joystick for everything else. It's a trade-off between simplicity and, endless options.
Got it. Okay, let's talk about the protocol. The whole system runs on the Datavideo DVI-P control protocol. The marketing says it unleashes advanced camera potential. So what is DVI-P?
DVI-P is the real difference maker here. It's Datavideo's own proprietary protocol that runs over a standard IP network.
So it's not a universal standard.
No, and that's the trade-off. Unlike older protocols like Visca, DVI-P lets this little controller access really deep camera-specific functions. Things like fine-tuning color temperature, focus speed, stuff you usually have to dig into menus for.
But the catch is you're locked into the Datavideo ecosystem.
That's the trade-off. It's incredibly powerful, but only if you're using their PTZ cameras.
Here's where it gets really interesting, though, because it's designed to integrate deeply within that system. You can connect it via USB to their other gear, like the TPC700P touch panel or the iCast mini switcher.
Right, so it becomes part of a larger seamless production chain.
And you see these DVI-P setups everywhere now. Broadcast, houses of worship, education, esports, even self-media streamers. It's built for these modern, fast-moving live productions.
So to just sum it all up,
Yeah.
what you're getting is precise tactile control for 3 cameras, 4 instant presets for each, and a super clean setup because of PoE. Simple and effective.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the RMC-2P really shows the direction the industry is heading. It's this push for streamlined, lightweight, IP-based control that just gets rid of the old, complex systems.
So what does this all mean? I think the big takeaway for you, the listener, is seeing this shift in action. Power in media production is moving to these compact, protocol-driven interfaces instead of the heavy analog gear of the past.
And here's a final thought to mull over. Considering its 3-camera limit, is this controller really targeting the small-scale professional who needs rock-solid reliability? Or is it aimed more at that high-end prosumer who wants professional features without that broadcast price tag? It's right on that line.